Let me show you real quick how to easily replace and get a new Cash App card. If you've ordered a Cash App card in the past, but maybe you want to try out a new design, Cash App makes this super easy. Here's how. To get started, first find and open Cash App. From the home screen here, tap the card icon on the bottom menu bar. It's going to be the second one in. If this is your first time doing this, you're going to see a screen prompting you to set up for a new card. You're going to follow through the same steps for any new card after that. Your first card is going to be free, but replacements after that for basic cards only cost $5, so it's not too bad. If you've lost your card or if it gets stolen or something else goes wrong, make sure before you order your new one, the first thing you want to do is head into here and then lock your card. This will make sure that while you're waiting for your new card to get there, that nothing bad's going to happen to the original. When you're ready to start designing your new card though, scroll to the bottom and then here tap on Design a New Card. From here, you can then choose your base style. There's options like glitter, pink, mood, standard colors, and all of these are going to be for $5. You also have some fancier metal cards here at the bottom for more, but in this video, we're just going to stick to the basic ones. Choose a card, and then on the next screen, you can then personalize it for no extra charge. Just tap Personalize Card, and then design your card exactly how you want it to look. Back on the overview screen, we can then see what the card would look like, and when you're ready, at the bottom, tap Order Card. Next, enter or confirm where the card is going to be shipped to, and then again tap Next. After that, select how you'd like your card to be shipped. You can get it in standard time for free, or you can pay $15 to get it expedited. I'll just go ahead and choose the standard free shipping and then hit Next. And finally, review the design and the charges, and when you're ready, tap Confirm Order. That'll then place the order for your new card, and then they're going to get it shipped out to you. And that's how you order a brand new Cash App card. Thanks for watching.